ask me a question and you want a SHA response.
After 24 hours.
Well, let me start from this point.
For eligibility, we say this is very 24 hours where you've been stabilized and whatnot can be received. So that will ensure that you also provide. Pocket expenditure is very expensive and it is 75 shillings per kilometer. You are evacuated to the nearest facility.
SHA has come in to be able to put in place interventions that touch on the financing pillar of this investment. And how SHA will do this is by rolling out dispatch services and emergency care services for all Kenyans. We do intend to roll this out within the next 2 months, and this will be graced by His Excellency the President, whereby each and every Kenyan, whether paid up or registered into SHA, will be able to pick up the phone, dial a toll-free number, inform the dispatcher that they have an emergency, and SHA will be able to then dispatch an emergency evacuation ambulance to them.
Out of this entire emergency healthcare system supported by SHA, I think it's a significant milestone that will see a significant reduction in all the health metrics that we all normally measure, things like maternal mortality, under 5 deaths, and even just road traffic crash deaths. We'll see a significant drop in the numbers. So the ministry, again through and SHA, are using the WHO emergency care system framework to develop this system, and it's being rolled out in a way that is sustainable to ensure that these emergency healthcare services continue to exist for every Kenyan. And